It's a haunted town. Yes, it's a haunted, haunted town. A bag of feet scurry through leaves, crisp crunch sound like bones. Under the foot of a giant, no, we are not alone. Howling in the distance moves like fire in the hills. No flames hit agenda fever, just gargoyle made of stone. We are in
You a mouthy little girl.
Hey, what's Pirate's favorite word?
Do it again? Okay, I got that.
Or I guess their favorite letter.